Hello everyone, so in this video we would like to share the work that we finished in the Toyota Estima import and 2004, which is the generation 2004 and 2005. This car came with a very old system fit from Japan before, and at this moment it is replaced with the new 7-inch full setup of wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Apple Android Auto, and also it is upgrade and replace the factory reverse camera with our new Full HD anti-glare and super night vision reverse camera at the same place, so it make it looks like factory camera. And also we remove two other unused and very low resolution and not working well two other camera previously installed. So currently the car is very clean of unnecessary part, and it's all ready now with the new part and new system 7-inch from MPX AUTOS. So just have a look where our camera fit and replace now. So you can see that is where the factory camera stayed before, and even the factory camera was broken, and we currently fit in the new camera right here, beautifully fit and adjusted at the right angle. And also we remove another unused camera on this side as well. So at this moment the camera is right and it works beautifully. So on the screen you are seeing here is the full HD, the wireless Android Auto system, which we are recording with our Android phone, and it connects wireless to the screen at the same time. So have a look how the reverse camera is working. Instantly it turns on and it's so super clear and super detailed at the back end, and it works instantly. Okay, so that's how our new camera fit and make it looks beautiful at the back. Yeah, it took more time to do the job like this, but we love to do that because it really upgrade and make everything look still like it was fit from the first day by factory before. So far we are very happy with the system, and yep, this is the 7-inch full setup for the Toyota Estima import 2004. Thanks again for watching, and see you on the next one.